Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. I feel like I'm always saying hello in this exact same spot with you sitting in my window. Just happen to have a window here with lighting. So yeah, today is going to be kind of a homemaking day, errands running day. I have some Poshmark orders to go ahead and ship out, a couple of bags to bring to Goodwill, and I want to clean the windows that you are sitting in front of. They are really gross. The other day when I opened up the windows, I just realized how they're so bad. So it's a beautiful day today and I thought it would be a good day to do that. Just some random house making things. I always do sporadic cleaning things whenever I think of them. And so yesterday I was putting away some laundry and was taking out some things that no longer fit Sydney or are no longer seasonally appropriate. And I went ahead and put them on Poshmark, like a couple of Zara things. Just, you know, it makes me so sad that these don't fit her anymore. I think they have a similar / same pair again this year, and I might get her a pair for this year because I love them so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, get to cleaning. I'm sure you can see just how gross these windows are from having them, you know, opened through the summer. They just get you know, really dusty and gross. So I want to go ahead and take out the screens as well, wash the screens, and then wash the inside of the windows. Now you're completely crooked. I just kind of want to get ready for the winter and having the house all closed up and breathing the same recycled air and dust and all of that. I just want to clean everything so that the inside of the home is good to go, you know? Like the heat registers before I turn the heat on, get all the dust in the air and all that. All right, successfully got this out. It was not easy because of the blinds that I have in here. It's hard to get it out, but look how much brighter this window is just by taking the screen out. It makes me want to leave the screens out for the winter, but I won't. While I'm at it, I thought I would go ahead and spray the house since when it rains, all of this stuff, oh no, I gotta change the setting. All of this stuff kind of splashes up. Hang on, I gotta change the setting. I've got soapy water, so I might as well use it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean Sydney's slide. It lives outside, not in the winter though, so it's quite dirty.
While the spring's still here, they don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer.
The screens are drying outside, and now I want to go ahead around to my heat registers and dust them. And just make sure there's no, like, you know, dust inside of them, because once the heat starts blowing, it's just going to stir up all the dust and really get to my allergies. So taking my Swiffer, going around, moving the couch. I'll probably end up vacuuming under the couch and cleaning under that. Once you get going, it's hard to not just do it all, even though I have other things to do. But I do want to hurry up and get this done because the heat's going to go on probably this week. I'm actually impressed it's not that bad because I try to do it a few times a year since I've discovered I don't do well with dust. So it's not that bad, but still gonna do it. I mean, it's still dusty, but it's not like a whole scarf.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless.
All right, now I'm gonna vacuum the couch. Ah, I'm so embarrassed. I can't believe how gross it is. This is Sydney's spot, and of course, food everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna get my shop vac.
Up a flame, and ooh, I was my own enemy. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold.
much better. At least it's done. I am sweating now. But happy to know, even though you couldn't really see it from out here, happy to know that it's gone. Starting the winter out with no dust. Anyone else have balloons all over your house? Tell me you have children without telling me you have children everywhere. I am sweating and out of breath because I was trying to hurry and do it as fast as possible because I have other things to do. Part of me wanted to rearrange all the furniture. I don't have time for that. So I am gonna go ahead and print off the Poshmark orders, and I have to go ahead and do that. So Poshmark, Post Office, Goodwill, running around. These are all the treasures I found under the couch. Sydney will be happy. Happy I found them. Trying to get as much sun as possible. I have to keep moving them. We are almost fully bloomed though. I'm so happy. Mailed off my Poshmark orders. That I tried to do it in the car because I knew it was going to be a while, and I couldn't find my packing tape, so I had to use this most miserable. It's by the brand Duct Tape, but it's like the most miserable tape ever. So I brought my own scissors and whatever. It's done. The packages are hopefully secure. I'm trying to fix my seat because I had to move it in order to pack things. Now I gotta go to Goodwill. Okay. Let's go. I don't even know what time it is. Oh my goodness. What time is it? 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock already. Gosh, I just love decluttering and getting rid of things. But I also love restocking things. All right, little girl is home from school. Let me see, what do you have? She's excited because she is having a little lollipop. She got loads of candy from the piñata from the birthday party over the weekend. And so she was excited to have a little treat after school. Hey, how was school, Missy? It was great. Wait, what was your favorite part?
Then the pattern black numbers.
It wasn't gym class?
No.
Oh, okay. The pattern block and numbers.
And gym class too. And outside in recess.
And recess? I love you.
Snack and lunch.
Okay. What?
Every time at gym class.
Yeah.
So every day.
Oh my gosh, it's completely empty. Honey, good job.
Well, here.
So. The other one went in no problems. I think this one. Is just.
Mama.
There we go.
Mama.
What?
Look. You
I just put my earbuds in. I usually watch something on YouTube or like Insta stories or something while I'm cooking, and so I have my earbuds in. Sydney's watching a little TV and she's getting really hungry, so I'm just gonna heat up some of the chicken corn chowder that I made the other night, and that's gonna be her dinner. I'm making myself just mac and cheese, and Sydney's not the largest fan of mac and cheese. She's like the most well-rounded eater ever, but doesn't necessarily prefer kid food, like universally loved kid food like mac and cheese, pizza, peanut butter and jelly. She just wouldn't choose it, and so fine by me. She's gonna have some leftover soup, and then it helps her get food in her. It's only 4:18, but I'm not gonna just feed her snacks on snacks and then not have her eat dinner. So I just cut up some cucumbers, and then I realized I have leftover soup that she can have. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I really desperately want to just clean my house like I'm pregnant or something, even though I'm not. I like have that super urge to clean everything, to repaint, to change like light switches that are, well, I don't know, I'm in like this mood. But anyway, also I did want to mention, I've been getting asked if I was going to do Momtober. I'm not doing Momtober this year because posting 7 days a week on YouTube nowadays it's just way too much. I remember doing it, you know, years ago, and that was obviously when things were different, business-wise, and then also I would suffer basically until December with my exhaustion and tiredness and all of that. So anyway, I'm still gonna share all month long. You're still gonna get all of the fall content. I spent yesterday planning my October videos, and all fall related, you know, from like, you know, recipes, fall clothing haul. I have to get Sydney a whole bunch of stuff for, you know, fall and winter and whatnot. And so you're still gonna see all of the same content that I would be sharing in Momtober. But I think I'm gonna do 3 videos a week, depending on how busy I am. So I think I'm gonna add in videos on Sunday, but I'll keep you updated if that does change or does happen. And then I'm gonna be posting also on Instagram, Chic Mama over there on Instagram. And so I'm gonna be posting daily, just not on YouTube daily. Probably do 3 videos a week on YouTube, and then every single day on Instagram for, you know, reels and stories and all of that jazz. So I wanted to update you guys on here. I gotta go. I gotta heat up the soup. Gotta get my like kind of downtime in as well while Sydney watches TV, and then we'll eat dinner and play. Bye.